Thank you for purchasing SJRC GPS drone. This product is built with dual mode positioning system, equipped with high precision gyroscope, setting it height with barometer, achieving consistency and super stability during flight. Friendly user control setting from single key takeoff and landing to every aspect of control within your fingertip. GPS function allows smooth alignment and signal search. Stable hovering. Automatic recording at takeoff. Same time come with the below features. 1. Low battery signal, return to starting point. 2. Remote control, return to starting point. 3. Drone out of range, lose frequency, automatically return to controlled range or return to starting point. The Wi-Fi real-time image transmission with 120-degree camera view, adjustable 90-degree angle camera, adjusting of the angle remote control, experiencing the feel of a camera on your fingertip, and record the wonderful moment of flight instantly. Once the Follow Me function is activated, the camera now faces you automatically. No matter where you go, it will follow you within the range. Enjoy the infinite thrill of flying and shooting. List of products. Preparation before flight. Pairing. Step to note. 1. Turn on the drone. 2. Turn on remote control. 3. Press the left joystick up, then pull it down. When all lights become slowly blinking, means pairing successfully. You can connect the Wi-Fi at this time to view the current drone status on the app, or wait until after GPS is calibrated. Gyroscope calibration. 1. Press the left joysticks to 11 and right joystick to 1 o'clock. Camera will move up and down automatically. It means gyroscope calibrated is successful. GPS calibration. 1. Press the left joysticks to 1 and right joystick to 11 o'clock position to initiate GPS compass calibration. You will note front light white, red, alternate blinking. Back light blue, red, alternate blinking. Place the drone on flat ground. Pick drone up and rotate 360 degree. Then hold the drone face down and rotate one full circle 360 degree and back white light blinking. Set drone back down to ground surface. Is now starting to search the GPS signal. When the front white lights and back blue lights become solid lights, GPS calibration is successful. Basic function demonstration. Takeoff and landing button. Short press the button to take off with auto hover. Short press the button to land down. Long press for 3 seconds to emergency stop. Left joystick up. Down. Turn left. Turn right. Right joystick forward. Backward. Fly left. Fly right. Return home button. Short press the button to one key return. The aircraft will return to the initial takeoff point. And when the remote control issues a drop sound, short press the button again to stop return home function. Speed button. Adjust the flight speed flexibly. Follow Me button. Short press to start the Follow Me function. Take the phone as the following point, and if the remote control will issue a drop sound, short press the button again to cancel the function. Long press the button to enter the trim mode. Also, you can trim by the right joystick. Headless button. Click once to enter headless mode. Click again to cancel the headless mode. This is default GPS mode. Once turn on the drone. Long press to cancel GPS mode, then long press again to enter the GPS mode. Rudder button. The angle of the camera can be adjusted the angle of the camera up and down by the remote control. The maximum adjusted angle of the camera is 90 degree. Photo button. Click once to take photos. Video button. Click once to take video. Replace the accessories. Blade. Take the blade cap down. Screw out the fixed screw. Remove the black fixed plastic parts. Take the blade down. Pay attention to distinguishing the corresponding A and B. Install the black fixed plastic parts. Fasten the screws. And cover the blade cap. Landing rack. Press the buckle of the landing rack. Push it out. Spin outwards for 90 degrees and pull out the landing rack. First, put on the side without the buckle. Turn inside for 90 degrees and fasten the other side of the buckle. Battery. Press the middle plastic buckle. Take out the battery. Insert the new one to replace and fasten. Wearing.